Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install WhatsApp application on Windows 11 machine. So let's start. On the search bar, type here store and click on Microsoft Store on here. So in the search bar of store, type here WhatsApp. On the first one, click on WhatsApp and click on Get. It will take a little time to install according to internet speed. So I'm pausing video until it's installed. So the app is installed now. When we click on open, it will open up the app for us. Click on get started. So first we have to scan the barcode in our WhatsApp application. For that, what you have to do, go to your WhatsApp application and from here, click on the side button and click on link devices. And you have to scan the this barcode from the mobile application and our WhatsApp will be connected here. And whenever you need the WhatsApp application to open for the next time, just in the search bar, type here WhatsApp, and you can open from here. So good luck, guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe to the channel, and like the video.